Hey guys, we're going to go over your quiz today. So first thing we're going to do is the mapping. Remember your evil inside, so it's x minus 2, and there is a negative on the outside, so it's negative y minus 1. Your parent function is x and 2 to the x, which is 0, 1, 1, 2. Therefore, your mapping would be x minus 2 and negative y minus 1. So I subtract 2 from each of my x's, which give me negative 2 and negative 1. And I make these negative and subtract 1. So negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So I graph negative 2, negative 2. Oop, not what I wanted. Negative 2, negative 2. Negative 1, negative 3. I also know that this is my y, my asymptote, my horizontal asymptote. So I'm going to do a dotted line at y equals negative 1. And I also probably need to know my y-intercept as well for graphing, which you do have to find anyway. So y equals, remember your y-intercept is when you plug in 0 for x. This is going to be y equals negative 2 squared minus 1, which is y equals negative 4 minus 1. Remember, the square only affects the 2, which would give you positive 4, and then there's negative in front. So your y-intercept is negative 5, which is right here. And then you just connect it as close as you can to the asymptote, and then connect the dots. Let's answer the questions. Your domain is all real numbers. Your range is negative infinity to negative 1. There is a reflection, so it's pointing down. Your y-intercept is 0, negative 5. The equation, the asymptote, is y equals negative 1. And your average rate of change. Remember, your average rate of change is slope. I'm going to zoom out for a second so you can see the equation. And you just plug it in for each. So to plug in x equals 1, I'm going to plug in, so you have negative 2 to the 1 plus 2 minus 1, which would be y equals, this becomes 8. So it's negative 8 minus 1, which is negative 9. So your first coordinate is 1, negative 9. I'm going to do the same thing for 2. So y equals negative 2 to the 2 plus 2 minus 1. This, again, becomes 16. So it's negative 16 minus 1, which is negative 17. And then you just find the slope. So negative 17 minus negative 9 all over 2 minus 1. This becomes a positive. Negative 17 plus 9 is negative 8 all over 1. So your average rate of change is just negative 8 here. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, just email us and we'll get back to you. Thanks.